What's up everyone, it's Franco from the Medellin Living channel. In this video, I'm gonna go over exactly how our process works so you know what to expect along the way. Let's get into it. Step 1, have your funds ready and be prepared. The first step is pretty self-explanatory. Make sure that you have your funds ready so that you are prepared to make a purchase within the next 2 months. The market here in Medellin moves quickly, so it's better to be financially prepared so that you can move quickly on the property that you like without any delays. Step 2, fill out the form. Down below in the description is a link to our buyer's form. This gives us basic understanding of what you're looking for. Things like your budget, your desired neighborhoods, and any deal breakers that you may have. Step 3, connect on WhatsApp. After filling out the form, someone on our team will go ahead and contact you on WhatsApp. This is where most of our communication happens, so please have WhatsApp downloaded on your phone. It's quick, direct, and it makes coordinating everything much easier. Step 4, set up your brokerage account. Before moving forward, before we can even show you properties, you have to have your brokerage account set up. But don't worry, we can help you set up your brokerage account here in Colombia. Having your brokerage account set up is a crucial step here in our process, and it shows sellers that you are financially ready and serious when viewing properties. Step 5, Zoom video call. Once you've opened your brokerage account, then we'll set up a quick 20-minute Zoom call where we discuss your goals, answer any kind of questions you may have, and make sure we are fully in line before we begin your property search. Step 6, creating a list of properties. Based on the conversation we have on Zoom, we'll create a personalized list of properties that fit your search requirements. Step 7, you mark the properties that you like. Once you receive that list of properties, you'll go ahead and review them and mark the ones that stand out to you the most. This will allow us to focus only on the properties that you are truly interested in. Step 8, show properties when you arrive. When you arrive here in Medellin, we'll already have scheduled property tours for the ones that you selected. This way, your time is not wasted in the city and you are seeing only the best options for your criteria. Step 9, make an offer. Once you find that property that you really like, we'll guide you through the offer process and negotiations. Keep in mind, you should be prepared to pay 3% in closing costs. Also, our commission is 3%, but don't worry, this is paid by the seller, not you. Step 10, close the deal. Finally, once everything is agreed upon and all the paperwork is completed, we'll guide you through the closing process to ensure the property is officially transferred in your name. Well, there you have it. That's our process from start to finish. If you're ready to start your property search here in Medellin, then go ahead and click on the link down below in the description, fill out our buyer's form, and someone from our team will contact you. Have a good one, and I look forward to working with you very soon.